Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stash bottle, easy method. Start by selecting a sturdy 500 ml bottle and clean it thoroughly with soap and water. Cut a circular foam disc slightly smaller than the bottle diameter to form a false bottom cavity. Apply waterproof glue around the foam edge, press it into place, and insert a hidden screw cap to create an access point that stays discreet and secure. Carefully choose a cutting spot that will remain hidden when the bottle is filled, then score the plastic and cut in small controlled motions to avoid fractures. Trim the foam disc gradually and fit it inside the bottle until it sits flush and stable beneath the expected liquid line. Secure edges with a thin bead of waterproof glue, wiping away excess, and allow full curing time before final assembly and use. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple DIY tips and tutorials. On another note, I love these leak-proof meal prep containers because they keep things tidy and travel-ready, and they pair nicely with the stash bottle idea for organized carrying. Peek in the description to find the product link and other deals, grab what you need, and now let's get back to the video. Seal the false bottom carefully using a waterproof adhesive and moderate pressure to avoid deforming the bottle shape while keeping the cavity dry. Install a recessed screw cap or a flush plug as your access method, ensuring it threads smoothly and hides naturally in the bottle base. Once dry, perform a leak test by filling the bottle and watching seams for at least 60 seconds, then adjust or reglue any weak spots before regular use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.